Moses cross the Red Sea? How did Moses cross the Red Sea? How did Moses cross the Red Sea? How did he get across? Did he swim? No, no. Did he fly? No, no. Did he sail? No, 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 no. Did he run? No, no. Did he walk? No, no. How did he get across? God blew with his feet, up, 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 up. He blew just enough, 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 enough. And through the sea, God made a path. That's how he got across. How did Moses cross the Red Sea? How did Moses cross the Red Sea? How did Moses cross the Red Sea? How did he get across? Did he swim? No, no. Did he fly? No, no. Did he sail? No, 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 no. Did he run? No, no. Did he walk? No, no. How did he get across? God blew with his wind, he